So does the news of data breaches and online smartphone hacks have you concerned about your personal data? Your iPhone includes various settings that can enhance your experience and increase the data privacy that you need to have. Unrestricted apps can track both your activities online and offline. Understanding and adjusting these settings is essential for improved privacy and will help increase your confidence in the security of your data. So here are 5 iPhone settings that can be adjusted to enhance the privacy of your personal data. The first setting is app tracking. You can limit how much data your apps are allowed to track so that they aren't tracking your behavior across all sites. In your settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Tracking, and toggle off Allow apps to request to track. This will help prevent apps from asking to track your activity. Next, let's check our location services. Your apps do not need to access your location at all times. Even the apps that do require location services like GPS capabilities aren't in need of it 24/7. So let's go to Settings, and then Privacy and Security, and go to Location Services. Here you can disable the location access for apps that don't require it, or set them to other options like while using the app. This will also help with your battery consumption and possibly prolong the life of your battery. Next, let's talk about app permissions. It's a good idea to assess what information your apps have about you and cut off access to the things you don't want your apps to have. For example, does the app have access to your microphone or your camera? You can decide if you agree with the permissions your app has by heading to the Settings, Privacy and Security, then select Camera. From here, you can turn off the apps that you don't want using the camera. You can then do the same thing for the microphone. Did you know you can prevent others from using Siri and searching your data through the lock screen? To disable these features, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode on older models, and turn off Siri and Search under the Allow Access when locked. This will prevent them from being used without unlocking your device. And if you're running an iOS 18 or later, you can go to Settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri, then turn off Allow Siri when locked. Lastly, let's talk about enabling encrypted iCloud backups. So if your phone is ever lost or stolen, enabling iCloud backups ensures that your data is backed up and encrypted in the cloud. To enable this feature, go to Settings, then tap your name, go to iCloud, iCloud Backup, and ensure that the iCloud Backup is turned on. Your iPhone will now automatically back up to the cloud so that you can restore your data if you lose your device or get a new one. So we just covered 5 privacy settings to help increase the privacy of your personal data. Hey, and if you found value in this video, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like and subscribe buttons to help support and grow this channel. Until next time, stay cyber safe, and thanks for watching.